Well, here we are at Masson Mills here, in the old industrial heart of Derbyshire. Masson Mills here, the original home of the spinning jenny and all the industry that went along with the industrialist Richard Arkwright of 1769 here. Well, Richard Arkwright actually invented the spinning jenny, which brought a very much more modern, certainly a lot more conventional, practical approach to spinning. This is one of his original buildings here, still survives here. We all listed, I'm assuming it's probably grade 1 listed here. It's all been up in the last few years apparently, I've heard. Richard Arkwright. No doubt history books look at him with reverence. Right near the river here, of course, as you can hear, down towards Matlock Bath there. Richard Arkwright, the industrialist. Here's one of the old factories here at Cromford, actually, not far from Matlock Bath, but this is actually on the edge of Cromford here in Derbyshire.